Hiring the wrong driver costs more than you think. Missed loads, safety issues, damaged equipment. It's not just frustrating, it's expensive. But with everything on your plate, hiring can feel rushed and inconsistent. That's why we built the driver hiring toolkit for fleets. So you can hire smarter without adding more to your workload. Inside the free toolkit, you'll get a step by step checklist that walks you through everything from writing the job post to onboarding day, a candidate scorecard template that helps you evaluate drivers consistently so you don't rely on gut feeling alone, and a bonus guide to using AI so you can generate a great job post in seconds, even if writing isn't your thing. It's practical, it's plug and play, and it's 100% free. Whether you're bringing on drivers for the first time or trying to avoid another bad hire, this toolkit will help you hire faster, smarter, and with fewer headaches. Just click the link below to download it and get on track to hire the best drivers.